Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce to you the project we have been doing for the big data course. So the title of this project is called When Big Data Meets YouBike. Our team is Hagreka and we have 3 members in our group. So this is the outline of our presentation. This is the background. So let me introduce the background first. We started this project as we attended the Taipei Open Data Hackathon, and we continue developing this idea after the hackathon. So let me introduce the background first. Over the last few years, Taipei YouBike has been playing an important role in elevating traffic congestion, reducing pollution, and improving health of citizens. And with the proceeding of a smart city and open data movement driven by Taipei government, real-time YouBike transaction data has been released for open download. And using big data analysis technologies, our team strives to visualize, analyze, and exploit extra values inside the data. So next, let's move on to targets and the motivation part. By this project, we try to do the following tasks. For calculating YouBike facility utilization for each station, visualizing YouBike real-time circulation data in a day, and providing real-time YouBike service data for the public, and analyzing traffic flow in various city blocks. Next is methods and the tools. We divide our project into 3 parts: data collection, data processing and analysis, data visualization. In the first part, we retrieve real-time YouBike transaction data from Taipei Open Data Platform and extract implicit columns for later use. And in the second part, R language is used as main data processing tools for each station, we draw YouBike loan amount for 1 day to analyze its utilization condition. And in the data visualization part, various website is built for presenting YouBike facility service data, live YouBike loan map, and the YouBike traffic heat map. Websites are built with Apache PHP 5 and in the framework of Google Maps JavaScript API 3. So next is the results. First, by collecting real-time YouBike transaction data for 1 day, we obtained the YouBike loan amount for 356 stations for per day. As you can see, the time started from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. And from these figures, we could clearly observe the utilization station for each station. Second, with the popularization of YouBike, situations where parking slots are hard to find or bikes in one location is used up become common, which causes trouble for students who are going to returning or borrowing bikes. To address this issue, our team built a simple website for citizens to check parking slots and bikes available in any location, anytime. As you can see from this map, you can click on one location, and the information is showed in the info window. Third, to help citizens and the government to get a brief impression of YouBike circulation situation in each station and how YouBike interacts with citizens, we built a website to show lively the amount of YouBike in use. This is a screenshot of the website. The fourth, these figures below shows the website in different times of day. These figures vividly shows how many people is returning or borrowing bikes, and the size and the color and imitation rates indicates the activities of each station. And through these figures, we could catch a rough idea of the city life. Fifth, by combining the location of each station and the number of people borrowing or returning bikes, we could draw a heat map to show the activities of each station and the area nearby. The top left figure shows the original satellite Google map of Taipei, and the rest shows the heat map in different color, gradient, and radius. So next, I'm going to demo a few websites we have been built for this project. Okay, this is a website called Yuan Ze of YouBike. We built this website to for people to check lively how many people is borrowing or returning YouBikes from each station. Each circle represents each station, and the size of the circle represents the number of people is returning or borrowing bikes, and the color of the circle represents people is borrowing or returning bikes, and we show the time lively in the top on the top, and users can drag to 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 check each station, or you can swing or zoom out. Okay, from this website you can check how many people is returning or borrowing your bikes for one day. It starts from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. In the night. So you can basically you can see how people is interacting with your bikes for one day in Taipei. Okay, this is the website for YouBike traffic heat map. We combine the location data and the the amount of people borrowing or returning your bikes from each station to draw this heat map. Basically, this map tell us the activities of each station and the nearby area of each station. For example, we could tell, this area must be a very developed blocks or areas of Taipei because the colors is connect to each other. And, from this map, people can toggle heat map to show the difference. And people can change gradient to different colors. Also, people can change radius, to show different heat maps, and people can change the opacity of the heat map, and people can zoom in or zoom out to check the details. Okay, this is the website we built for the YouBike users in Taipei City. Basically, we draw each station on this map, the location of each station on this map, and people can click on each station to check on the real-time data for each station. The station name and the how many bikes are there and how many park slots are there, and people can zoom in or zoom out to check on the details. So after the demos, let's move on to the conclusion part of our presentation. Through this project, by visualizing and analyzing YouBike transaction data in different maps and figures, we present the service condition and the utilization of YouBike for government as well as the citizens. We could see that big data not only provides us a powerful weapon to analyze data, but also provides us a fresh new perspective of inspecting and observing city life. So this is the end of our presentation, and thanks for listening.